Hey, this is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to my channel. Today we got a game changer for all you busy educators out there. I'm going to show you how to change your assignment due dates for multiple assignments in seconds. Yes, you heard that right. That's going to be in seconds. But before we dive into this time-saving magic, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on this awesome tips just like this. So let's get started. As you can see here, I am on my Canvas page, and let me click on the course that I want to change the assignments for. This is my statistics class. I'm going to click on my modules in here. As you can see, all my assignments are due on Jan 22nd, and that's impossible. We cannot do that. So here, I'm going to click on my assignment, and you know the old traditional ways to click on edit assignments, go all the way down, change the due date. That's not what I'm going to show you. And here, let me quickly show you another way of doing it. Assignments, I'm going to click on my assignments. And all the way on the right-hand corner, you can go ahead and edit all your assignment due dates right here. But this is again very tedious to me. I want something easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So this is the tip. You click on your calendar. Let me click on my calendar. And here you want to make sure you uncheck all the courses except the course that you want to change your assignments, just so that you're not confused and you don't change multiple courses. So as you can see, here are my assignments that are due on 16. This is my module 1. I want my students to do all of this or read all of this before the semester starts. So I don't want to go ahead and change everything. All I have to do is click, drag, drop. Click, drag, and drop. Like I promised, this will be done in seconds. So here, I'm just clicking, dragging, and dropping. And again, if you don't want it on the same day, same month, you are always free to change it to different months, different dates. So as you can see, I'm simply dragging all of this and dropping. So I actually changed all of these assignments probably in seconds. And here I have all my assignments due on 22nd. I don't want that. So I want my first assignment to be on 22nd. Actually, let's make it 21st. A couple of them on 21st. And then I'm going to change some of them to 22nd. There you go. And all you have to do is simply drag and drop. Now let's just say you don't find the date that you want to change your assignment. Then here's a quick tip. Here I'm in Jan, but I want to change my 2.1 frequency to March. So if you see, if I drag all the way down, I don't have an option to move back and forth. So what I'm going to do is here on my right-hand side, I'm going to move to the March calendar, and I'm going to hold my 2.1 frequency homework, and I'm going to drop it. Let's just say I'm going to drop it on March 12th. And now let's go to March 12th and see if our assignment is there. Voila, it's right here. Now if you want to bring it back, as you can see, I don't have January here. I'm going to move my calendar on the right-hand side to January. Hold, click, bring it back, and drop it on 24th. And now let's go ahead and take a look on Jan 24th to see if our assignment is here. There you have it. So this is a quick tip on how to simply drag and drop your assignment using your calendar instead of going into your course and clicking on all those due dates. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, please make sure you like and subscribe. And if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so, because I know there are educators who are always looking for quick fixes. Like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.